Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys an easy summer updo that you can do. It's very simple and doesn't take a lot of time at all. All you're gonna need are a few little hair ties, 1 or 2 hair ties depending on the thickness of your hair. You can even use a little rubber band hair tie. And if need be, you can use some bobby pins as well. All you're gonna do is just part your hair on the side. And so you're just gonna section off these 2 pieces and just tie the rest of the hair to the back and just get it out of your way. All I'm gonna do is just twist the front sections, and you're just gonna get 2 pieces like this. My hair is so dark, I hope you guys can see this. And I'm just twisting and then picking up a section of hair, adding it in, twist again and take this section of hair, add in some hair, and then twist, and just do the same thing. So you're just basically twisting like you would twist a rope and just adding in sections of hair from that larger section and just twisting. I hope you guys get the idea of what I'm doing. I do have some side bangs, so you'll see like some pieces sticking up, but that's okay because you can always hairspray that or pin it away, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm just gonna continue to twist. Then I'll just clip that away. And I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. I'm gonna section off a little piece at the top, part it down the middle, twist again, and then add a section of hair to that. So essentially it's like you're doing like a French braid but with a twist instead, and you're only using 2 pieces of hair to do that. And I'm just gonna twist. Are going to retwist it a little bit. You're gonna get the 2 twisted sections, and you're just going to bring them together in the back. And you're gonna do like a half updo. And I'm gonna get that little rubber band, and I'm going to tie them up together. Pull to tighten, and then I'm just going to twist it in on itself like that. Just a little twist, a little bit more. So you can leave it like this if you want to, and just have like a half updo, and this looks really cute as well. And you would just like hairspray, kind of fix those little flyaways, or if you wanted to, you could add another hair tie and just bring it all up if it's really hot, and that's what I usually tend to do. So basically what I do is I just bring all the remaining hair up, and you can comb it if you need to, and I just tie it all up like a ponytail. And you can either leave it like this, like a ponytail, or what I like to do is go ahead and just kind of do like a little bun, and then just leave some little hairs sticking out like this. Too, you can go ahead and pin any flyaways that you might have, or just pin the twists to make them secure. I usually like to use like a pin like this and just kind of pin those little flyaways at the bottom. And that is the completed hairstyle, guys. It was very easy to do. It did not take any time at all. Really cute and very simple. And it keeps all the hair off of your neck so that you're cool in the summertime. So I hope you guys give it a try, and I'm so happy that you joined me today, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Bye.